This 2022 Palomino Columbus C-Series 329 DVC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Palomino is 38 feet 1 inch in length and features 3 slideouts, a midnight interior, sleeps 4, oven, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, external shower, refrigerator, DVD player, Skylight, TV, stove top burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Columbus C-Series 329 DVC is 11,420 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.